Hello, today I'll be showing you on how to open description, listing notice and height on your AutoCAD point. How to view it. You will do that by coming to your point here. You will import your PENZ data to your AutoCAD. You click on your point. You click on point creation tools. You click on this icon here, import point. Then you select your PENZ format. My PENZ format, I'm having PENZ comma delimited, and I'll click on this icon here, manage format. I'll re-click on that format again, and then I'll click on modify. Then I'll set this as CSV because my PENZ data is CSV. Then I'll click on coordinate zone transform, and then I'll set my region Nigeria, set my data region and click OK, and then load the data. I'll change this file type to .csv because my PENZ data is .csv, and then I'll select my data here and click open. Then I'll click on pass. Then I'll click OK and close this. Then I'll come to this plus sign at the top here. I'll change this to CSV as well. I'll select my PENZ data as well. Then I'll click open again and I'll click OK. Then after that, I'll press Z, enter on the command here, and press E, enter. Now I have my point on the screen. Then I will come to the plus sign beside the points group here. I will right click on my all points and click on properties. I will change this point label style from none to nothing and easting, and then I'll click on this arrow sign here. I'll click on copy current selection, and I'll rename this as DENZ, that is description, listing notice, height. And I'll click on layout and click on this A. I'll rename this as description, that is D. And this content beside it, I'm having label text. I'll click on it, these three dots. I'll select this and change this point number to raw description, and then I'll click on this arrow here and click OK. In order for me to have this data on the same alignment, I will change this offset to 11.30. Why this? I will change to 3.40. Then I'll click on this A again and put Z there. This Z stands for my height, and then I will change this. Click on this label star and select this. I'll edit this point number. I will change it to point elevation because we are dealing with height this time. Then I'll click on this arrow sign and click OK. Like I said earlier on, I will set this offset also in order to have my data on the same alignment. 8.50. Then I'll click apply. Then I'll click OK, apply, OK. Now you can see on my screen now, I'm having my description, nothing is in height. Description, nothing is in height. At every point, description, nothing is in height. Description, nothing is in height. Thank you.